Hey everyone, so here is my room of Ananta resort where I'm staying today. So that's how my room is. It has a beautiful balcony where I can have a cup of tea with a view. Let's open it. How is the view, guys? Isn't it amazing? This is absolutely superb. And I have a beautiful villa here at Ananta. This is a sitting and the chirping of birds with the greenery all around. It's worth visiting. Can you hear that coo of a koel? So melodious. The beautiful houses, the mountains, the fresh air. I'm blessed being here.